coronavirus lockdown. Looks like it's not such a lockdown after all. Just watch the bike and I have no brakes on the back, on the rear. What the hell happened with them? It's not such a lockdown after all. So many people on the road. So many cars. It's Saturday. It's full with people and cars. At least for this small town that I live in. I was expecting to see a lot less people than I see. Well, looks like no one really cares. People with masks, people without masks. Yeah, it's very hard to find masks. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for making us stop. Thanks a lot. We're going to London to buy some stuff. Tomorrow is my girlfriend's birthday, so let's go and buy some barbecue, some meat, bits and bobs to make a barbecue. But we're gonna keep it small in the family. We're not allowed any visitors. Apparently next week Boris Johnson is gonna talk again. Hopefully he recovered from the coronavirus that he was infected with. What a bunch of lies. This is some sort of propaganda trying to make the people feel better that he had coronavirus and he recovered. Obviously with 2 paracetamols every 4 hours, but no more than 8 per day. Hello. So many cars. I wasn't expecting to see so many cars, to be honest with you. People shopping. It is quite hot today. I wasn't expecting to be this hot. And tomorrow apparently it's gonna be even hotter. That's one nice way to start the summer, the spring, summer, yeah. At least we see some positive things. Nowadays all you see on the telly is coronavirus. Death toll, coronavirus. Lockdown, coronavirus. Whatever. Hey! Missed a lot going out with the bike. Finally I fixed the bike. My shoulder is about, I would say, 80% recovered. Power wise, I would say that I regained all of my power. The only issue that I've got is that it still hurts a little bit when I'm forcing it. Yeah, when I lift things above the head, it hurts a little bit, and when I'm sleeping on it, it hurts again. Apart from that, I'm fine. So hopefully I'll recover 100%. It's gonna stop hurt me, and I won't need an operation. Because I'm not looking forward to an operation. No, not at all. I hate going to hospitals. No, but why there is so much noise today in the helmet? What happened? We've got quite a little bit of petrol. I would love to keep going like this all day, but there is a lockdown, so you have to leave the house only for work, medicine, food. That's it. They are not cars as you would see them every day, but there are still quite a lot of cars for Saturday. I mean, if around 60-70% of the people in the UK are not working anymore and it's a Saturday, why do you see so many cars on the road? And we're not in London. I would imagine that in London there are even more cars. Oh, yep. Think these are the other effects, or effects, however you call it, of the coronavirus. Look at those potholes. Each country's economy is going down. Whoa, Jesus! What the hell? Why there are so many holes? Two problems now. People are not working anymore to repair the holes, and there's no money anymore to repair the holes. Thank you, China, for this. Yeah, everybody, we have to thank China for this. Don't have nothing against them, but they really fucked us this time. How the hell everything they make is rubbish apart from this virus? If you buy anything from China, it won't last you 2 days. And this one might be the most powerful respiratory virus in the last 100 years. Made in China. Construction is working, shops are open, petrol stations are opened, banks are open. Pretty much that's it. Every other retail shop is closed, electronic stores are closed, shopping malls shopping centers, everything is closed. What else? MOT, we're not doing the MOT on cars or bikes anymore for the next 6 months. Hello? No? She's eating. We are going through rough times. Hello? Everybody's trying to find every little excuse to get out. I haven't seen so many people running and doing exercises outdoor in my entire life. Now everybody is using this excuse to go out. How should I say, weird our brain is. When you had all the right and all the time to go out, do exercise, go to swimming pool, go to whatever, beach or whatever, not so many people done it. Now, when you're not supposed to go out anymore, all of a sudden everyone wants to do it. This is how our brain works, apparently. I think so. When you're being told you're not allowed to do something, you're even more desperate to do it. Hey! Yeah, it's a proper runner. Hey! Yup. So many people are running. Another one running. This one he's running for the bus. Run, man, run. He had a mask. That's good. Another bad thing which they've done, all the governments, they said that there's no point to wear a mask because it won't help you. Yeah, that's true, it won't help you, but it's gonna help the ones around you, you idiots. The less germs you spread, the better it is for everyone. So what this means is, if you have a mask, the coughs, the sneezes, even when you talking, all the little saliva droplets, they get caught into the mask. And they don't go out on and stick onto surfaces or onto your hands or onto your clothes. What are you doing, man? Go on. Yeah, that's it. That was a brave move. Congratulations. You could fit a lorry through that gap. And he was having second thoughts. The bus is coming now, don't worry. It was just behind me. What is this? I don't know. People now, they are forced to wait in line outside of the shops. Respect other people's personal space. Yeah, don't breathe on your neck anymore. The only problem which I see is that the government in England, in London, what they've done, the TfL, Transport for London, what they've done is that they cut 2/3 of the tubes and trains, which means, whoa, hello, which means they will have, obviously now you have less people traveling to work and back, but when you have only 30% of the trains remaining, or 1/3 let's say, remaining in service, you still have trains overcrowded. I mean, they are packed, they are full. Now I understand that some of the TfL workers, they might be home sick with coronavirus or with symptoms, but not so many. Can't tell me that 70% of the TfL workers, they are home sick. They are saying people who can work from home, they should work from home. What? Yep. Tell that to food stores. Tell that to hospitals. That would be funny. Tell that to construction workers, of course. So you pull your pants up, man. But they won't stop the construction, because no matter what happens, they still need to build houses and offices and sell it to people for tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. You like the space? Yep, I surely do like this space. We managed to make it to the shop. Now we'll just have to see if we find what we need. Lock the bike, we're in London. Can never be too careful. Hey. Hello. Hey. This is why I love this bike. This is why I love this bike. Show you why. This way. This is why. This is the main reason to get a bike like this. Watch this. Ha! Magic. Hello. What is this on my bike? Spots. I like the noise my bike is making.